Hi friends, we all might have heard about this term SEO a lot of time. So today we will discuss the benefits of SEO. So SEO basically stands for search engine optimization. So we will get to know 5 benefits of SEO. So number 1 is SEO targets quality traffic. For example, if you do the other activities like cold calling, cold emailing, interruptive ads, it won't attract your target audience. It will attract all the audience that is available. But your important audience which you want to impress, which you want to give a better impression, is your target audience, which have a much bigger conversion rates. So SEO helps you to get to your target audience much easily than any other medium. So every industry wants to go. Helps you improve your positive image and credibility. Since it's an organic search in which your website or your search result will come up, so it helps improve your credibility and your positiveness of your website. So every domain has a ranking. It will help you enhance your ranking. See, basically what Google wants to bring their customers or the people who are searching in Google the best of the best. So if you are doing that best with the SEO in your website, Google will definitely help you in getting to the first ranking page. So yeah, it will help you improve your credibility and a positive feedback. Building brand image and awareness, and also beating competition. So with SEO, you actually build a brand image and awareness as well regarding your product, your service. For example, you have 2-3 competitors, they are not doing the SEO part, you are doing it very well. So you will see the results, you will be able to achieve much more targets than your competitors. In that way you can beat your competition. Also with this process, you will be able to build a better brand of yourself. People searching best products in town, or maybe best service for this particular service in the town or in a specific city, will see your brand name coming up. So that will give you a better brand image in this process. Also in the back end of the people's mind, in the consumer's mind, you will be having. So the next point is better conversion rate. So in the end, with SEO, what every company, what every individual wants is better conversion rate. So if you have a lot of people which are your target audience coming to your website, searching for your products or services, you will definitely have a better conversion rate than anyone else. So that's why SEO also helps in getting you a better conversion rate in comparison to any other tool. So that is a must. That's the biggest USP of SEO. The last thing that is why we use SEO is it brings more leads, more sales, and a better market share that you ever had, which is why we do business, correct? So SEO helps you with directly those things which you want to achieve and removing all the other stuff. Like it helps you build a better sales part, help you lead your business. For example, you have a segment. For example, you have a segment of like clothing segment. If you're doing a good SEO thing, you will be in the top 10 or maybe top 5. You can beat your competition. You will have the leads of all the biggest customers in town. Also, you have a larger market share than anyone else. In short, you will be the winner in this competition. So these are the benefits of SEO. Thank you for watching my channel. Please do like, subscribe and share if you like the channel. Thank you for your time.